students, now in this session we are going to discuss how to find out stroke volume, how to find out stroke volume and cutoff ratio. Okay, cutoff ratio. This is not directly related with the syllabus, but this is related with solving the numerical. Unless you know how to find out these values, we cannot find out the numerical cutoff ratios and stroke volume, something like that. Okay, see now, they will give you how to find out the stroke volume. See, if you take diagram, PV diagram, okay, so like this, I am taking the example for auto cycle. See, stroke volume means this one. Stroke volume is equal to V1 minus V2. Okay, this is also called swept volume or stroke volume. So, how to find out stroke volume? See, it is the distance, it is the volume occupied. See, starting from V1 to V2. So, swept volume. So, volume swept. Volume swept. See, volume swept from TDC to BDC. Remember, see now, this is TDC and this is our BDC. Okay, so like this. So, how much volume is swept? How much volume is taken care? Okay, so it is swept volume or stroke volume. Stroke means from TDC to BDC, as I have told you, cylinder. See this one. These spaces, see this space is called clearance volume. And suppose this is TDC, then it is BDC, and now piston is reaching here. So how much volume is occupied? How much volume is used from TDC to BDC? That volume is called swept volume or stroke volume. So volume swept from TDC to BDC, that is known as stroke volume. Okay. So that way also you can find out it is called stroke volume. Now, as from this figure, stroke volume will be V1 minus V2. Okay. Now remember, this is our clearance volume. Why? Because every time piston will be touching cylinder head, so cylinder head will be destroyed after a number of process. So there is some gap. Gap is being maintained between the cylinder and piston. That gap is known as clearance volume. Okay, so V1 minus V2. That way, another is also there. Stroke volume, that is pi by 4 d square into L. Volume means how much cylinder, piston dia, bore. This is called dia or bore of the piston. Bore of piston, and this is length of the piston. Length of piston. So either stroke volume we can find it out by V1 minus V2, or if the dia of piston or bore of the piston is given, that means pi by 4 into d square into L will be equal to stroke volume. So that way we can find it the stroke volume. And see, R is nothing but V1 by V2. Okay, that is how much volume is reduced from condition 1 to 2, compressed, that is compression ratio. So you have written Vs is equal to V1 minus V2. This V2 is Vc. See here, that I have denoted here. So V1 will be equal to Vs plus Vc. Okay, so Vs plus Vc by V2 is Vc. So it is nothing but 1 plus Vs by Vc. So if you know stroke volume and clearance volume, we can find out the compression ratio. Okay, so compression ratio directly they will not give you all the time. So they will give us compression volume, that is clearance volume and stroke volume. If we know clearance volume and stroke volume, by that way also we can find out the compression ratio. This is the formula to find out the compression ratio. That's why the topic was stroke volume. Okay, now there is another type of concept. They will give you in numerical like cutoff takes place at 5% of stroke, 5% of stroke. Okay, they will give you this word, maybe 6%, maybe 7%. What the students are doing, cutoff means rho. Okay, see now, if we take this one, that is pressure constant, so it is 3 and this rho. So rho is cutoff is 0.05 of stroke volume. See, now stroke volume is meter cube. So 5% will be also meter cube, but it is a ratio. It is a ratio. It should not have the unit. So this statement is wrong. Simply students are doing what they are doing. Cutoff takes place at 5% of stroke means rho is equal to 0.05 of Vs. But this statement is itself wrong. This should not be used. What we have to do? Cutoff ratio is V3. So V3 will be equal to 0.05 of Vs. See here. How much from? Plus Vc also. We have to add that one, Vc. And rho will be equal to V3 by V2. So 0.05 into Vs plus Vc divided by V2 is also Vc. By that way only we can find it out, because see, this is also meter cube and this is also meter cube. So meter cube divided by meter cube, then it will have cutoff ratio. Then it is a ratio, it does not have unit. So this is very important concept while solving the numerical. You must use this concept. This may be in not Otto cycle because it is not there. So it may be in diesel cycle or dual cycle. So cutoff may be 5%, maybe 6 or 7. So you should not write this equation. Okay, so I am writing like this. This is wrong actually. You should not assume to write like this. This is wrong. It should not be used. What we have to do? Cutoff means V3. So 0.05 of stroke volume plus clearance also. So you have to take the volume from here. It is Vc plus. Stroke is this one, that is Vc plus. This is Vc plus 0.05 of stroke volume. Okay. So if you do like this, that is, see here, Vc plus 0.05 Vs, V3 and V2 is already Vc. Okay, clearance volume. By that way we can find out rho. So this will be very useful in solving the numerical. So let us sum up what we have discussed here in this class, that is stroke volume and cutoff ratio. So volume displaced from TDC to BDC, okay, by the piston. Okay, so volume swept from TDC to BDC, it is known as stroke volume or swept volume. That is definition. How to find out? That is V1 and V2. This is the stroke volume or swept volume. Another way also there, pi by 4 d square, that is bore of the piston, and that is another length also piston. So by pi by 4 d square into L will give us stroke volume or swept volume. We have already studied R is nothing but V1 by V2, that is Vs plus Vc by Vc. V2 is Vc. So this formula, that is knowing the Vs and Vc, we can find out the R also. Okay. How to find out? R that I have given here by using the stroke volume and clearance volume. Now cutoff, see here, cutoff takes place at 5% of a stroke. That may be in diesel cycle or maybe in dual cycle. By that way, see, cutoff takes place 5% of a stroke, 0.05 here, you should not write. What you have to write? 0.05 of Vs plus Vc. Vc plus 0.05 of Vs. So rho will be V3 by V2. Vs is this, V3 is this one, divided by V2. It will not have any unit. So cutoff is unit dimensionless term. This will help us to solve the numerical. I am going to solve one numerical in next class. Thank you.